I'm really excited about these. These are servo extensions. I ordered some 1 meter long servo extension. I got a really good deal on these on Amazon, so I'm excited about this. I needed some, if I can get this open. Anyway, I needed some, I need to get some scissors here. I needed some long extensions to run to the wings for ailerons on some of my RC airplanes. So I'm really excited about this. Like I said, I got a good deal on these, and I'm curious of the quality. And so far, I'm pretty impressed. So I think there are 10 of these total. Let's double check this on the female end. We got 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10. So that's awesome. So I've got 10 of these, and they are all 39 inches long, which means they are 1 meter long, give or take. So I'm happy with these so far, and I want to check a servo to make sure. I'm sure the servo is going to fit in there just fine. So let's grab a servo and put in there. Line that up, and got a nice fit. Yep, a nice fit. The servo plugs in there, and that's pretty darn good. So now I have 1 meter long extensions for my airplanes. So that's really nice. Like I said, this was a really good deal. So I was kind of concerned with the quality, and yeah, I'm real impressed with these. Look just as good as the wire on the servo, and the connectors are just as good as anything I've seen. So I'll put a link in the description showing you what I got and where I got these. So hopefully I'm helping you out if you're looking for a decent price on some good servo extensions. Thanks a lot for watching, and now I have this big plate of spaghetti to sort out, so I'll see you in the next video. Take care.